Captain John's final trip on Rainy Lake.
That's not that nice, but it's
about 30-incher.
Yeah.
What's wrong with him? He ain't fighting any. How come he ain't raising a fuss?
I don't know. I must have him by the tongue.
I guess. First fish of the day. What, 8 or 9 pounder? No, yeah, now it's too late now, dummy. You're supposed to do that first. Well, I got the second fish of the day. Our pike spot didn't pan out, so we moved again. And as soon as we got here, we marked him, so I just went straight down, got him on a grubster. Well, third fish of the day. This is a nice walleye. So we caught 3 fish, 3 different kinds.
That northern I caught.
I don't care. Fish number 4 today. On a finesse fish. What we got here? Big old bass. Oh, got off right at the boat. Oh, there's more down there too. There's fish number 6. On a finesse fish. He's about at least a 3 pounder. Maybe a little bigger. We get him off. Here we are. Little whitefish. Which you guys won't know where it is. As soon as I get down there with a spoon, nice big old fat 3.5 pounder.
Okay, John just caught this pig. He thinks it's 5 pounds, but we have no way of knowing because we don't have a scale.
Well, if he's 20 inches, he's 5. We'll measure him.
Alright, we'll measure him.
Take a still picture, too.
Okay, and then earlier that northern I caught, I said I must have caught him by the tongue. I did catch him by the tongue.
As though I care.
Yeah, like John could care less. Alright, nice fish.
Well, my last day on Rainy Lake for the year, and it's turned out to be beautiful. And we got a double on. Big old bass, number 30 fish for the day. Mikey's got another big old bass, number 31. Double dip them. Next cast. Number 32. Mikey, gonna double up?
Not yet. Taking the cast off.
Another dandy too. Mike with fish 39 on.
Nice.
We are having a hoot. Catching all kinds of 3 pounders and 4 pounders here. My biggest one today was almost 21 inches, and we didn't have a scale, but it easily weighed over 5 pounds because it was a porker.
Great day to be alive.
That's one of the smallest ones.
This is the smallest bass we've caught.
And that's like 2.5.
Yeah.
Fish 43 for the day. Another 3.5, 4 pounder. What a beauty. On a grubster. Too big to eat, but a big old walleye mixed in with these bass. Dang old bottom feeders eating my bass lures. Look at that Parker. He's about 22, 23 inches. I just mentioned, didn't I, like 10 seconds ago, if I catch an eater walleye, I'm going to eat him. Well, this guy's too big. Can't eat him. But it's what, 44 fish. He was right by the boat. Mike's got number 45 on here. You must have caught him before. He's not very energetic.
He's tired.
Mike's on fish 47. Oh, nice jump on camera.
And Pilgrim. Nice fish. You're standing on my landing net. Okay, you're a funny guy.
You told me you got those long arms for a reason. Go down and grab them.
Big of a belly. Look at that.
That's a beauty. Another 3.5, 4 pounder.
I can't believe the size of the bass on this spot. This has been outstanding.
Yep. Hardly any little ones at all. I think we only got 2 little ones here. And they weren't that little. That's a nice 17-incher, huh? Measure them up. Here's your thing.
Maybe a little bigger, but
we'll let them measure. I'm guessing 17. Ooh, the fins look cool with the sun behind them.
that is 18.25.
Oh, bigger than I thought.
Here's John. What number are we on? 48.
Nice job.
Stopped to put his jacket on, and
One grabbed it while I put my jacket on.
he missed it, and then it came back again, and this is it. How big is that one?
18, I guess.
18?
Of course, I've been on the low side when we measure them. Come here. Yeah.
Nice bass.
On a grubster. Fish number 50. Another 4 pounder. What a day. Veterans Day. That must be why I'm catching all the big ones. Because I'm a veteran.
You're a veteran.
Not just the fishing of the Air Force. Look at her. We'll get her scooped up and back in the water. Mike's got fish 52 on. Well, if it's a walleye. Yeah, money to eat her. Yeah, big old walleye. 52 fish today. It's over 20. Easy.
Poor John has to go to Texas. I get to fish another month.
Well, I hope you do. I would certainly be doing it if I was up. Well, the end of Captain John's Rainy Lake season. We're heading in. The sun is going down. We'll see if Mike is a big puss or not and goes fishing a few more times this year. I don't see how he can stay home when they're biting like this. I hate having to go to Texas.